teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. These are the beautiful words of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Assalamu alaikum, good day and a very happy Teachers' Day to everyone. Today, I am going to share some of my inner thoughts with you all, as 5th September is regarded as the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher, philosopher, academic, and he also served the nation as the first Vice President of India and second President of India. He once said, "A life of joy and happiness is based only on the basis of knowledge and science." Today, on this very special day, I just wanted to request you all to give ample respect to your teacher, as you all don't know how much pain and difficulty they all are taking to give you quality education. Your warm wishes are going to give them so much happiness. So please wish them and make them feel special. Being a teacher myself, I am so much indebted and so much thankful to all my teachers who taught me and became great inspiration in my life. They made me realize to embrace my journey, and it's only because of them I am here today. It's only because of their sheer guidance and inspiration. So once again, happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Being one is the highest privilege, and having one is the best blessing. So stay home, stay safe, and stay gaining knowledge. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Holidays are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of a rich and very heritage. I shall always respect elders and parents and treat them with courtesy. लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सोवत हो खुदाया मेरी लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत. Class first and our class teacher Mrs. Zahida and Hindi teacher Mrs. Hajira. Myself, Fiba Firoz, and my friend Muhammad Hayan, we wish you all a pleasant and a lovely morning. Today we are assembled here on the auspicious occasion for a special day, Teachers' Day, to pay thanks to our beloved teacher. So wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. We started our assembly by paying gratitude to Allah by reciting Surah Fatiha by Salman. The pledge was done by Bhavani. The school song was done by Madiha. Now let's have some positive thoughts about our teacher by Johan. Good morning everybody. My name is Johan. Happy Teachers' Day. Teacher is a person who always helps everybody to get the knowledge and always stand beside the students when they have problems. As you celebrating on 5th of September. Every year, everywhere across India, in schools and colleges. The reason behind celebrating this day on 5th of September is the birthday of India's former President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a teacher, highly devoted towards education. Thank you. Good morning. Happy Teachers' Day. It gives us immense pleasure to be here to talk about the main personalities of the day, our own teachers. Teachers are our second parents. They play an important role. They engaging and inspiring the students. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of shaping a child's about Teachers' Day. On this day, students express gratitude and respect towards teachers as they are the backbone of IT. मैं शिक्षक दिवस के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। हमारे देश में